Hey guys, this is Little Pug Games. Today we're going to talk about serialization and how games use this concept to create save data for the games. So what is serialization and how do computers use it to store data? Well, let's start by talking about people. So when we talk to each other, we understand each other because we have a common language that we use. We use English and we use the alphabet to communicate and construct words, sentences, and ideas. So what about computers? Computers also need to be able to communicate with each other, and they have their own language in which they do that. This language is different than the alphabet. It consists of only 2 letters, and these letters are 0 and 1. This language is called binary, and we need translators to transform our human language into computer language. And so we've created different types of tables to do this. And some of you familiar with computer science fundamentals already know about some of these tables. For example, the ASCII table, which is probably the most widely known one. So what is serialization in terms of these concepts? So let's go over a quick example on what it is in the context of a game. Games, whenever we save our progress in a game, the game needs to store certain data about the game, such as, well, let's pretend we're playing Zelda, for example, and we save the game. The game needs to tell us things about Link, the character. Some of the things we might want to know about Link are his current location on the map, the amount of hearts he has, his weapon loadout. So there's obviously a ton more stuff that the game probably needs to keep track of, but let's pretend that's it for now. So now the question is, how do we translate this information about Link and create a save file on the console? And how can we translate this save file back into the information we need about Link? So the answer to this is serialization. Serialization is taking this bulk of information and translating it into a different format. In this case, a save file that we can later translate back once we start up the system again. So let's say we saved the game, we turned off our game. Now when we boot it up, it's going to go to where we saved this file, and then it's going to do the opposite. It's going to deserialize the data and transform it into something the game can understand. This will give us back the location that Link is in, his heart level, his weapon loadout, and everything else the game needs to get you back to where you were. In the next episode, we'll learn how to create our own serializer and deserializer. You'll be able to take game data and save it onto the player's computer, and on boot up you'll be able to grab that same save file and load it back into your game. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time.